Welcome back to another episode of Bourbon Buddies. What do we have today, buddy?
Well, buddy, we got one of our personal favorites, and guess what it is? It's Rare Breed! Yeah, so Rare Breed was actually started in 1991. It was pretty much kind of a competition for Bookers, which Bookers came out, I believe, in the late 80s. And this is Jimmy Russell's, like, hey, you know what? I'm going to compete with the Bookers, with the barrel proof. And Wild Turkey, ever since 1991, has had the Rare Breed. It started out as like every year they would have a new batch, and then maybe 2 per year. And then now it's kind of like all over the place. So right now this is at the 2017 to 2019, so this is the most current Rare Breed that we have, and it sits in at 58.4% alcohol, which is 116.8 proof.
Do we want to nose it, or we want to talk more about it? Because
I just want to nose it. Let's get in here.
All right, I'll hold off.
All right, and then cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy.
This just screams classic bourbon. This is everything I love about bourbon in one place.
All in one sniff.
All in one sniff.
All in the one sniff.
The caramel, the cherry, the vanilla, almost like a cherry cola. I mean, it has it all in there, man. Nothing's too much. It's just, to me, it's perfectly balanced. I know I have a turkey mouth. Neal's made that very clear.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Oh, yeah.
It has some of the turkey funk. It's more of the newer turkey funk. It's not like old school turkey funk, but a little bit newer. I get kind of an allspice thing going on. Mint chocolate chip ice cream from me. Gets a little minty.
I can see like a little minty, yeah.
Yeah.
There's an underlying note.
Oh, it's salivating. Just even the nose just makes you want to just go, I want to drink this right now.
Right.
Stop doing what you're doing and
Put
smelling
your
this.
lips on it. Yep, I hear you. Yeah, I'm all about this stuff.
Yeah, maybe some black pepper going on in there.
Little peppery, but not overpowering. Very, very, very subtle for me.
And what's interesting is this has 6, 8, and 12-year-old bourbons in it. More of the 6 and 8, less of the 12. Other batches have had more. You can definitely smell a little bit of the 12 going on here. Earthy tonalities, get some of that wood going on.
Yeah, I can pick up on some wood notes for sure. It does everything right.
Should we go in for it, buddy?
Let's go in for it, buddy. Oh, right there.
That delivers.
It does deliver. It just screams. I mean, if I can drink one bourbon for the rest of my life, this might be it. Like, this is the one bourbon that I'm like, all right, I'm in the mood for some Rare Breed. Yeah, normally you want, I'll have a glass of bourbon, whatever, but like there's times I want this particular bourbon. And it's the only one that I think about in my dreams.
I'm dreaming of it right now. And it's a good dream of a turkey running around in a field of caramel and cherry cola, maybe some mint chocolate chip ice cream, and then you get a little bit of citrus oil notes, and then also the turkey goes falls over, and guess what they fall over into?
Gravy?
Maybe.
I thought I was going with a whole Thanksgiving Day theme.
Oh,
I thought you were going like this big hearty meal that just does everything.
You know what?
The analogy, buddy. I missed.
You had the analogy. I just didn't even know that was the analogy I had, but I didn't know I had it until you said it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I think we might be entering the Matrix.
Okay, the Matrix time right now.
Good hug, good flavor profile. Doesn't do anything too much. It does. To me, it's just perfectly balanced, and it might just be, my personal taste. But to me, this is where it's at. So I'm gonna just reel it in a little bit, but for the money, this just drinks to me so much better. And it could just be that it strikes everything for me just perfect with my palate.
You can't touch this for the money, and it's more accessible. You can get this like literally, I mean, not everywhere, but you can get this so many more places than all of your other barrel proofs. You can't mess with this bad boy.
Could be a Tom.
It could be a Tom.
But it's definitely not a Jake.
It's not a Jake.
Not a Jake.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I hear this term funk a lot. I'm not picking up on that.
The funk has different forms and different people, and I think maybe for you, It's not necessarily a funk, but it's like what draws you to this bourbon. The palate is where this thing shines because it coats.
It hangs on. It just kind of coats the whole palate and just lays there. Like I'm still enjoying it. So you can take your time with a glass of this.
Oh yeah, you can hang out all night.
I'm actually salivating now.
I'm very much salivating. And it's not because I'm sitting next to you, buddy.
It might be a little bit.
Just give it a hug.
I'm gonna give it a hug. I'm gonna
caress it, buddy. I know you wanted to.
I love this stuff. No, I don't love it in the sense that I'm gonna get all sloshed up. I mean,
well, no, you appreciate it,
yeah,
right?
I appreciate that.
You
stuff.
appreciate things
to me,
around
it's
here,
just a good, solid. What I base bourbon experience off of is this. Maybe I set the bar a little high. I don't know.
No,
But that's kind of where I fall in on it.
I think it's a good bar to set, especially with the price that you're paying for a barrel proof. I think it's a great bar to set.
Pick up a bottle. You won't be sorry. You will appreciate it.
If you want to taste what the Russells can offer, that right there.
Write in the comments what you think about it and what it does for you. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, maybe it's dishwater for all I know, but I really enjoy it. So just let us know what you guys think. We appreciate everybody tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Bourbon buddies.
Cheers.
See ya. Cheers.
Cheers.